Welcome to our channel. If you're encountering Disney Plus error code 14, it typically indicates a problem with your internet connection or your device's compatibility with the Disney Plus app. Don't worry, we've got 6 easy fixes to help you resolve this error and get back to streaming your favorite Disney shows and movies. Check your internet connection. Error code 14 can often be caused by a weak or unstable internet connection. Ensure that your device is properly connected to the internet. You can try running a speed test to check if your internet speed is adequate for streaming. Disney Plus recommends at least 5 megabits per second for HD streaming and 25 megabits per second for 4K content. Restart your router/modem. If your internet connection is slow or intermittent, try restarting your router or modem. Unplug the router for about 10 seconds, then plug it back in and wait for the connection to stabilize. After restarting, try accessing Disney Plus again. Check for Disney Plus server issues. Sometimes, Disney Plus experiences server outages that could cause error code 14. Check Disney Plus official social media accounts or websites like Down Detector to see if there are any known outages. If there is a server issue, you may just need to wait until it's fixed on their end. Restart the Disney Plus app or device. Sometimes, simply restarting the app or your streaming device can resolve the error. Close the Disney Plus app completely and reopen it, or restart your device, smartphone, TV, or computer to clear any temporary glitches. Clear app cache for mobile devices. If you're watching Disney Plus on a mobile device, clearing the app's cache can help fix many issues. Go to Settings, Apps, Disney Plus, Storage, and tap on Clear Cache. After clearing the cache, restart the app and check if the error is resolved. Update the Disney Plus app. Ensure that you have the latest version of the Disney Plus app installed. Go to the App Store on your device, Google Play Store, or Apple App Store. Check for any available updates and install them. Running an outdated version of the app can cause performance issues, including error code 14. By following these simple steps, you should be able to fix Disney Plus error code 14 and get back to enjoying your favorite content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more troubleshooting tips and streaming guides.